Here we go. Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. I'm here at the dealership this morning taking a look at the victim of the day. So in stock right now we have 5 Toyota 4Runners, used Toyota 4Runners, certified, some not. Hey, the victim of the day, this used 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium Edition. So this one, the unique thing about it is the low mileage and the aftermarket equipment. 23,000 miles on this 2018. So real low miles. Projector style headlights up front, fog lights, blacked out package. Color on this one, magnetic gray. Really a great looking color. You can see up top, we've got an aftermarket luggage rack, cargo rack up there. Also, this one has the Predator side steps, which are extra aftermarket. They weren't on at the factory. The previous owner put those on. These shades over the windows add a little bit more protection. Blacked out badging on your SR5, 4Runner badging, Class 3 trailer towing hitch, tinted windows across the back. That window right there is a power window. It goes up and down. Not a lot of SUVs have that anymore. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Soft tech fabric seats, power seats on both sides with lumbar support on the driver's seat, power windows all the way around, leather wrap steering wheel. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Factory moonroof. We've got the original window tag. So this one originally was a little over 40,007 plus the extras. And the extras on this one, probably a couple $1,000s worth of extras. An aftermarket Pioneer sound system. And the great thing about this one is it integrates with the backup camera. So that's a quality aftermarket sound system. Overhead lighting, traction control, leather wrap steering wheel, fingertip controls, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats up front. They put in some of these. These are aluminum. They're almost like file holders, if you will. I don't know what the point was there, but they look pretty cool. So this one, again, 23,000 miles, 2018 4Runner. Really excellent condition. Fold down seats in the back, power ports in the back. Check this out, it even has the 3rd row seat. These are those small jump seats. It's $1,000 extra on these. All-weather floor mats. Here's your power ports back here. So if you're looking for a low mileage 4Runner, usually on my channel I do new car reviews, but I'm going to start doing these, I don't know, I think I'll call them victim of the day. Kind of highlight a few of these. Really great pre-owned Toyota 4Runner Premium Edition available for sale. Hey, go ahead and give Tim a call. His number's in the video right there. Call him up, ask him some questions. This could be the right one for you. If not, we've got others. This is Tony talking car biz. Hope you enjoyed the video.